Hey guys, it's Patrick from Mercedes-Benz Burlington. Wow, I never, and I mean never, pray for snow unless it's Christmas Day. Not maybe a week ago or 10 days ago, we did the review on the G580 full electric G-Wagon. And I said, you know, if for some weird reason we get snow in April, which doesn't happen too many years in a row, but I said, you know, if we get snow in April, I'd be happy to show you the G-turn. I'm not gonna do the G-turns. I might take it out if we get some ice or some snow and show you, because that is a safe environment to do it. Do not try this on public roads. We wanted it to be safe and to not damage the tires. In order to do so, there's only a few different times you can do the G-turn. One of those would be in gravel, but I didn't want any stone chips on the car. But the other would be in an icy snow, which, God bless you, Canada, you never fail. You've given us that icy snow. And when I say I ran to the G580e to show you the 2025 G-turn, guys, I ran. We're cameraed up, we're mic'd up, we're excited, we're driving, I'm super happy. And I'm excited to try this G-turn because I've done everything on the electric G so far, and I've tried everything, but I haven't gotten to try this G-turn. So this entire video is just to show you the G-turn. If you want to see the Edition 1 electric G, please watch that video. If you want to see a full review of this entire G580e that I'm in right now, including a drive when it's not snowing, watch that video as well. But this one is just going to be for the G-turn. I'm just going off into a private road here so that I can walk you through the few steps you need to do before you get going. But I'm excited, and I'm excited to try it. The G580e is going to be a capable vehicle for a few reasons. Yes, there's no gas, but with the electric, it gives you a few different options, and that one of them is extra torque, which is important when you're doing real off-roading. A lot of clients don't use the G-Wagon for all of its capability, and one of those things obviously is off-roading, but other things would be like rock climbing and going through, you know, small water swamps and streams and those types of items. So, you know, it's exciting because with the electric torque, you get a little bit more capability. So one of the things that they've introduced is the G-turn. What that does is it gets all the wheels going in motion, and it allows you to actually do a 360 turn in one spot. Important if you get yourself into an awkward position when you're going off-roading and you want to turn around and go back the other way, or if you're just in a bit of a ditch or a bit of a rut in one of the tires, it allows you to spin out of it. And there's videos online that you can really see the dust and the dirt flying, but what's exciting about the snow is it allows us to do what I'm gonna call the Mercedes-Benz clean G-turn, because no damage to the tires, no wear to the tires, and no crazy gravel going nuts either. So here we go. We're just gonna come up here where we have a little bit more of a private road, and let's see what I can do, guys. All right, guys, so now that I've parked here, I'm all settled in. I'm gonna go into my Drive Dynamic Rock. I'm gonna activate the drive program, all right? That's turning my traction control off. We're gonna hit OK. I'm gonna go into low range. There we go. And then I'm gonna turn G-turn on. Once I select that, I'm gonna hold down on the paddle and I'm gonna hit the accelerator pedal. Ready? Here we go. It's gonna go around 2 times and it's gonna stop right where I left it. Wow. I am gonna have to say that is top 5 most fun things I have ever done in a Mercedes-Benz vehicle. That will sell me on the EQ over the regular G just on its own. Thank you for watching the G-turn. We're calling that the clean G-turn. I'm Patrick, your Mercedes-Benz specialist at Mercedes-Benz Burlington. Stay in touch, and if you'd like to go on your own G-turn, well, you're gonna have to buy a Mercedes-Benz G580e electric. We'll see you on the next video.